Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you an exciting, pretty fun activity kind of an AI tool created by Google Labs itself. And the name of this app is Little Language Lessons. So this is kind of an AI language learner kind of a website which is made by Google, and the lessons are made using Gemini itself. So it's like a bit-sized learning experiment built with Gemini. So before we dive into it, kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me in the long run. And I hope to achieve around 1,000 subscribers at the end of this year, which is not possible, but let's see. I hope get a lot of subscribers. So kindly subscribe and I'll show you how this works. So first you have to sign in using your Google account. Before you begin, you have to just say I understand, like the terms and conditions. And there are three little experiments made for you. You can just try it. Find the relevant vocabulary, phrases, and grammar tips for any situation. I'll just show you how it works, and then you can try it out in your free time, as it is pretty fun activity. So the first experiment is tiny lesson, grammar tips for any situation. So select the language which you want to learn. I'll just select French. Purpose. The purpose of the theme is basic greetings, to learn the how to greet using French language. Then let's click on generate, and now it will generate European French for basic greetings. So it will generate vocabulary, phrases, and tips which you can use when you are in France and you want to learn basic communication in French. So yeah, this is pretty fun, as you can see the main basic fundamental words which you should know in French.
Bonjour,
So yeah,
bonsoir, salut, au revoir.
and you can also click on see more and you can learn a few more words in French. Then there are some phrases which you can use while you are in France for the first time or for basic communication with anyone in French. So this is a pretty fun tool and it is still in development. And as you can see, there are a lot of sentences which you can learn, and this is very quick as you can see. So there are also some tips you can read it out, and yeah, many much more. So I hope you all liked this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. So also kindly like the video and comment what are your thoughts on this little experiments made by Google itself. So thanks for watching.